Hey guys, how's it going? Budo Dude here with another quick video to show you how you can use our app StashSage to use machine learning to price your items in Path of Exile 2. So inside of the app, here on the UI, you can see that we have an option called Stash Scrape. This is only available when you download the app. And what that'll do, I took some screenshots here, is bring up this Stash Scrape menu. And basically what it's going to ask you is to choose a location to save the output of the Stash Scrape. And also it's going to specify how long you want to wait between making requests for different categories. So what Stash Scrape is going to do is going to make requests on the Trade API website, and it's going to pull those results and push them to our machine learning models and generate predictions for all of the items listed in your public stashes or your merchant. So the only thing here is that you need to be careful. Sometimes you can get rate limited between category searches. So we suggest being a little conservative here in terms of how many seconds you wait between categories. And here we provide an estimate of how long we think the Stash Scrape is going to take. So you can just get up, go to the bathroom, take a shower, have a little food, come back, your Stash Scrape will be finished. So basically this is the menu, and you can choose whether you want all your listings from all your public stashes or only in your merchant. And you can select all or none, or select a subset of the categories that we have models for today. And when you hit submit, what's next going to happen is you're going to start to see this progress window, and it's just going to tell you as it goes. It's going to finish one category, and then it's going to wait, and then it's going to start a new category, in this case belt. It's going to complete. It's going to tell you how many items it found or none. For me, I had no belt items listed. It's going to wait again, go to the ring, etc. Right? And once it's done, it's going to produce this summary here, and it's going to show you how many categories are processed, how many items were fetched total, how many it scored using machine learning models, and it's going to tell you where it saved the final aggregate CSV that contains all the results from all the categories. And what we have as well is we've built into the app a viewer, so that if you don't want to open that CSV in Excel or Google Sheets, which you're free to obviously, you can view it directly in the app. And so once you point it to the directory where you have your stash scrapes saved, you're going to be able to pick your different stash scrapes from this dropdown, this run dropdown. Here it says it's going to show you what folder it's pointing at. And then once you select a run, it's going to display this table, and this table will show you what item the category was scraped from. So I have chest, boots, gloves, and helmet, what segment's in, evasion only, energy shield, and armor, the actual item name, the price that you currently have it listed at, in what currency. And then here's the first machine learning prediction using XGBoost. It's going to tell you whether it thinks it's in the low, medium, or high bucket for that specific category. Low being very difficult to sell, kind of trash items, high being very high value items. And then here it's going to show you the two, both the median and the mean from the similar items or K nearest neighbors predictions. And it's also going to list in what stash. If you have your stashes named, the names will appear here. In what stash tab the item is located, and the XY coordinates, so that you can easily reference that item without having to sift through all your tabs. So hope you find this useful. I definitely do. When I have too many items and I'm overwhelmed with having to price them all, I like to just run a stash scrape and get them all listed, and then to sift through them, use the filters, use the sorting mechanisms to determine what I just sell to the vendor versus what I continue to reprice and have listed in my public stashes.